All new tonight, lawyers for a Macon murder suspect want his charges thrown out due to lost evidence.
A judge said no, but he did say both the district attorney's office and the sheriff's office mishandled the evidence, and that will likely delay the case even more. Cecily Stout joins us in studio to tell us what happened today at a motions hearing.
Yes, Frank Lloyd, I sat down with the District Attorney Anita Howard and Senior Assistant District Attorney Don Baskin. They described what happened, how their office is reacting, and how they plan to avoid evidence problems for future cases.
There was a motion that had been filed by the defense to quash an indictment.
This motion came because the defense couldn't review all the evidence in the case. That's called a discovery violation.
The judge actually denied their motion, but there was a lot of discussion around the evidence that they have yet to be able to obtain.
That discussion focused on Senior Assistant District Attorney Don Baskin.
The courts make no distinction between the district attorney's office and the sheriff's office. So what the sheriff's office has, the district attorney's office is assumed to know about. And that was the point, I think, being made by the court today.
The evidence was doorbell video collected by investigators against two men accused of murdering Montavious Raines in 2021.
The investigator on the case said that it was actually on a hard drive. That hard drive, we have been told, is inoperable. And so we have asked the sheriff's office to look in other areas to see possibly if they can locate it, and they've been doing that.
The investigator is no longer with the sheriff's office, but there is a plan B.
They mentioned in court that there were about 173 emails that they were going to be looking through that belonged to this investigator to see if that footage was in one of those emails.
Howard says she wants to avoid evidence problems like this in the future, so she created a first line of defense called the Intake Investigative Unit. They collaborate with the Sheriff's Office to collect and preserve the evidence in a case. We reached out to the Sheriff's Office to talk about the case and how the video evidence was lost. They said they could not comment this afternoon. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Cecily. The two men are charged with killing Montavious Raines outside a church in the Lake Wildwood community in West Bibb County in November of 2021.